Hi, everybody. This is Craig, the water guy. I hope you're doing well today. Yeah, I've got over 33 years experience in the water treatment industry and selling, servicing, and installing equipment for residential and commercial. And I see searching for a water softener installation cost on Google today. So you must be interested in having a water softener installed in your home, which is a great choice. It's going to save you a lot of money and improve the quality of you and your family's life. So I want to help you out with that. Basically, you have a few different choices when it comes to purchasing a water softener and having it installed. The number one choice that some people look at right off the bat is to go into your yellow pages or go online and call a local dealer such as Culligan, Rainwater, Connecticut, Joe Bob's water treatment, whatever you have in your area, and they'll come out to your home. Some of them will come out with a salesperson to give you a 2 or 3 hour presentation with all kinds of different literature and show you how things set up with soft water in comparison to your hard water by using a little miniature water softener they hook up to your sink and try to sell you on a system, for $4 or $5,000 or more, and give you free cleaning products, soap products to try to offset the cost. Word of advice: stay away from that. Those systems are not anything special. If you do your research online, such at qualitywatertreatment.com, for instance, they have a lot of good information on their website. You're going to find that there's good, high quality systems out there, and in a lot of cases, better than what they're offering for a lot less money, and you're not sacrificing anything. Then they might give you the pitch that, hey, it could cost $1,000 or $2,000 to install this water softener under extreme, very, very extreme and unusual circumstances. Then yes, maybe, but it's very unusual. Most water softener installation cost anywhere from $200 up to around $500. And it really depends on the circumstances of the installation. If your home already has pre-loop for a water softener, meaning there's already a loop going through the wall for a water softener hookup, then you can pretty much rest assured you're going to find somebody qualified if you don't want to do it yourself, which is pretty easy if you have any sort of plumbing knowledge at all to hook a water softener up yourself, especially with the videos and online installation guides you'll find at like qualitywatertreatment.com, for instance. But if you want to pay somebody to do it, you can do that. And for a loop type system, or if you already have a system there that you're just replacing, you're looking around $200-300, right around there. That's pretty much across the board for what we have found. If you're in a situation where you don't have anything there now and you don't have a loop coming through your wall and the plumber has to cut your main line or handyman or whoever's doing it for you, and they have to run that line over to the designated area where you're going to install your water softener, regardless of whether they go underneath the house and cut the line and run it to the water softener through a wall, and then go back out the water softener back underneath your house to the point where they cut it to feed the rest of the home with soft water, or if it's the main water line coming into the house, if you're on a slab to where you don't have a basement or you can't crawl underneath the house to do that, then they have to do it that way. Then the installation costs get more expensive, but then again, it's usually around the $500-600 range, and that's about average. So don't be fooled into somebody telling you it's going to cost you $1,000-2,000, because in a lot of cases that is just not true. All right. So the other thing about water softener installation. If you purchase your system online, you can get a local company to install it for you, preferably a plumber or a handyman. Handyman is usually the way to go because they don't have any interest in trying to sell you their system, so they're gonna do a good job for you and cause you less stress and less headaches because they just want to get the job done and make you happy and get paid. So handyman is really the way to go if you don't want to install it yourself. Now, if you go to our website at qualitywatertreatment.com and you look at our most popular water softeners, which is our Soft Pro models, The Soft Pro models are popular because of they have the best warranties on the market, but they also are upflow technology to where they save you up to 75% of water and 64% on 75% on solid, 64% on water per regeneration, saving an average family of four up to $220 per year. And maintenance and upkeep over your traditional softeners, even the ones that I talked to you about earlier. So they're really popular. They're well priced, best warranty again on the market, and they save you money. It's the only water softener that actually pays for itself and continually pays you for the life of the system, which is at least 15 to 20 years. Now, to give you an idea as far as the ease of installation for these systems, up to 48,000 grain capacity. The systems come preloaded with the resin and the gravel inside already. So you don't have to add the resin and the gravel when you get the system. That saves you a lot of time and a lot of hassle. So the system's basically ready to install when you get it. You just follow the installation guide on our website and the installation manual that comes with the system. And it's a pretty easy installation. Every installation, if you already have a loop in the line or have a softener there, it's going to take you about 2 hours to complete it and get the system up and running. If you have to cut the lines and do more work, then it could be a 5-hour installation. It has been my experience over the years of doing this. But the nice thing about this system here is that we offer a what you call a quick connect fitting. Okay. And I'll add a card here just so I can show that to you. The quick connect fittings are right here. And the nice thing about the quick connect fittings is that what they do is they connect right to your bypass valve. They compress right into it. So they're O-ring fitted. So you push them in there, you push the red clips over the top, and they lock into place. The other side of the hoses is that they're quick connect. So they slip over your copper or your PVC or PEX pipe. And so you don't have to cut and solder pipes and run a bunch of 90-degree elbows and stuff like that to get in and out of the system. You basically have your plumbing right up to it. You cut your pipe. You verify which side is the inlet, which side is the outlet. You attach right here, you attach this end right to your copper or PVC pipe, and you attach this end right into your bypass valve right here. You put the clips over the top. See how easy that is? So that is how that works, folks. So I highly recommend when you purchase this system, you get the Flex 2 because that's going to make life so much faster, so much easier, and the installation so much faster for you. I hope this helps you folks out, and thank you very much, and have a great day.